Hey, my name is Gino Richter from Synistics Group, and today I want to answer the question, what happens when my business goes solar? Here's the customer journey. The first step is to let Synistics analyze your electricity bills and help you understand the way that you're being billed. Within 48 hours of submitting your usage information, we can have a proposal ready for you that explains what your fixed monthly cost would be. Simple as that. Let's get rid of those overly complicated electricity bills. Simple. As soon as a business decides to go solar, we will draw up some plans within 2 weeks and then submit them to your city for permitting. Once we receive those permits, it'll take us about 2 to 6 weeks to complete your installation, depending on the project size. Then the final thing is we work directly with your utility company to make the switch to solar as simple as possible. Simple. We would absolutely love to help you investigate what solar would do for your business, but the very first step is getting a quote. So please visit synisticsgroup.com and request your free analysis today. Simple.